Welcome to the future, where your phone becomes obsolete and smart. AI glasses become your ultimate computing device. These 10 revolutionary timepieces of technology represent the next generation of wearable artificial intelligence that will completely transform how you interact with digital information. From seamless AI assistants responding to your thoughts to augmented reality overlays enhancing your physical world, these glasses deliver capabilities that smartphones cannot even approach. The glasses market in 2026 features incredible innovation with lighter designs, better displays, and AI that understands context while predicting your needs before you realize them. Get ready to discover why technology experts predict smart glasses will replace phones entirely within the next decade as adoption accelerates. Number 10, Snap Spectacles 5 Pro. The Snap Spectacles 5 Pro continues Snap's legacy of pushing AR boundaries with advanced AI features that make digital interaction feel natural. These glasses feature dual micro OLED displays, delivering stunning visuals while maintaining lightweight design that stays comfortable throughout entire days. The built-in AI assistant understands context through advanced processing, helping you navigate digital information without typing or voice commands constantly. The 12-hour battery life handles full workdays without requiring mid-afternoon charging that plagued earlier versions. The camera system captures life in ultra-high definition, while simultaneously recording depth information for advanced AR applications. These glasses connect seamlessly to your smartphone for hybrid computing, where AR glasses handle visual tasks, while your phone provides additional processing power. The social features let you share AR experiences with friends in real time, transforming how groups experience digital content together. The price point around $400 makes these glasses accessible to mainstream consumers rather than just enterprise users. The snap-on lens replacements let you customize appearance while maintaining all technical capabilities without switching devices. For social media enthusiasts wanting cutting-edge AR without professional pricing, the Spectacles 5 Pro represents the perfect entry point. Number 9. Lenovo ThinkReality AR Plus. The Lenovo ThinkReality AR Plus focuses on productivity and enterprise applications with robust features that professionals actually need daily. These glasses deliver exceptional spatial computing, allowing you to manipulate virtual objects in your physical workspace with natural hand gestures. The 15-hour battery life powered by advanced solar charging means these glasses work throughout entire workdays without hunting for chargers. The haptic feedback system provides subtle vibrations, informing you of notifications and interactions without requiring visual attention. The AI assistant understands professional context, helping you schedule meetings, take notes, and access information without losing focus. The enterprise integration allows seamless connection to your entire corporate tech stack, including email, calendars, and project management systems. The security features prevent unauthorized access, protecting sensitive business information viewed through the displays. These glasses retail around $600, making them investment pieces for professionals rather than casual consumers. The durability standards exceed consumer products, ensuring these glasses survive heavy daily use in demanding professional environments. For business professionals seeking legitimate productivity improvements, the ThinkReality AR Plus delivers genuine value through practical features. Number 8. Samsung Galaxy Glasses XR. The Samsung Galaxy Glasses XR combines Samsung's expertise in displays with cutting-edge AI, creating glasses that blur virtual and physical reality seamlessly. These glasses feature adaptive displays that automatically adjust brightness and color based on environmental conditions and content you're viewing. The AI health monitoring tracks biometrics through integrated sensors, warning you of potential health issues before they become serious. The 16-hour battery life combined with rapid charging means these glasses power through entire days without interruption whatsoever. The integration with Samsung ecosystem devices creates seamless connectivity where your phone, tablet, and glasses work as a unified system. The gesture recognition allows intuitive control through subtle hand movements that feel natural compared to earlier generations. The display quality reaches 4K resolution per eye, delivering cinema-like experience while working or watching content. The price around $700 reflects premium manufacturing and cutting-edge display technology throughout. The water resistance rating makes these glasses suitable for outdoor activities and weather changes without concerns. For Samsung ecosystem users wanting integrated AI glasses, the Galaxy Glasses XR represents the obvious premium choice. Number 7. Google Glass Enterprise 4. The Google Glass Enterprise 4 represents Google's serious commitment to professional AR applications with enterprise-grade durability and capabilities. These glasses deliver transparent displays, allowing workers to view digital information while maintaining awareness of surrounding physical environment. The always-on connectivity provides instant access to databases, instructions, and AI assistance without requiring additional devices. The 20-hour battery life ensures these glasses power through entire shifts for warehouse workers, technicians, and field professionals. The voice recognition AI understands complex commands even in noisy industrial environments where traditional interfaces fail completely. The hands-free operation allows workers to maintain focus on tasks while accessing critical information through voice interaction. The thermal imaging capabilities help identify equipment problems while the computer vision AI diagnoses issues automatically. The price reflects enterprise positioning at around $1,000, making these glasses justified expenses for businesses. The durability standards survive harsh industrial conditions where consumer products would fail within months. For enterprise applications requiring technical expertise delivery, the Glass Enterprise 4 represents the professional standard. Number 6. Qualcomm XR Titanium. The Qualcomm XR Titanium represents the cutting edge of processing power delivered through lightweight glasses designed for serious AI applications. These glasses deliver processing equivalent to high-end laptop computers, despite their compact form factor that weighs under 80 grams. The neural engine handles on-device AI processing, eliminating latency that plagued earlier generations dependent on cloud computing. The 18-hour battery life results from efficient architecture that delivers maximum performance without excessive power consumption. The dual 4K displays deliver stunning visuals, while the eye tracking system enables intuitive control through natural eye movements. The AI assistant learns your preferences and habits, continuously improving contextual understanding and prediction accuracy. The mixed reality capabilities seamlessly blend digital content with physical environment, creating truly immersive experiences. The price around $800 reflects premium components and cutting-edge technology throughout. The compatibility with multiple operating systems provides flexibility rather than locking users into single ecosystem. For power users demanding maximum performance, the XR Titanium represents the undisputed processing champion. Number 5. Sony Smart Glass Alpha. The Sony Smart Glass Alpha focuses on entertainment and creative applications with display technology that sets new standards. These glasses deliver AMOLED microdisplays, creating true blacks and vibrant colors impossible on earlier LCD-based alternatives. The spatial audio system delivers immersive sound through directional speakers, creating convincing 3D audio experiences. The AI content recommendation system learns your preferences, suggesting entertainment tailored specifically to your interests. The 14-hour battery life handles entertainment throughout entire days, including movies, games, and interactive experiences. The capture capabilities let you record your perspective in 8K resolution for creative projects and memory preservation. The social VR features connect you with friends in shared virtual spaces, regardless of physical location. The price around $900 positions these glasses as premium entertainment devices for enthusiasts. The comfort design prioritizes extended wearing with balanced weight distribution, preventing fatigue. For creative professionals and entertainment enthusiasts, the Smart Glass Alpha delivers unmatched visual quality. Number 4. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Pro Max. The Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Pro Max combines legendary eyewear design with cutting-edge Meta technology, creating stylish AI glasses. These glasses maintain Ray-Ban aesthetic while delivering neural interface capabilities that make interaction feel incredibly natural and intuitive. The dual display system provides information overlays while maintaining your ability to see the physical world clearly. The 16-hour battery life comes from advanced power management, prioritizing efficiency while delivering premium performance. The AI assistant named Aria understands context and anticipates your needs, providing information before you ask. The camera system captures life through your perspective, creating memories while simultaneously analyzing visual information. The price around $550 makes premium AI glasses accessible to mainstream consumers. The social features let you share moments with friends through your actual perspective rather than phone cameras. For fashion-conscious consumers wanting functional AI glasses, the Pro Max represents the perfect blend. Number 3. Microsoft HoloLens 4. The Microsoft HoloLens 4 represents enterprise AR at its absolute finest, with capabilities that transform professional workflows completely. These glasses deliver true mixed reality, blending digital holograms seamlessly into your physical workspace with perfect lighting. The spatial computing engine handles complex calculations, processing 3D environments in real time without noticeable latency. The 12-hour battery life ensures professional workday coverage, while cloud processing supplements local capabilities for maximum power. The gesture recognition interprets natural hand movements, allowing intuitive interaction with virtual content. The AI Copilot understands professional context, helping with design, analysis, and decision-making throughout workdays. The collaboration features enable remote experts to see your perspective and guide you through complex procedures. The price, around $3,000, reflects professional-grade components and enterprise positioning. The durability standards exceed consumer products, with design emphasis on reliability over extended periods. For enterprise professionals, the HoloLens 4 remains the industry standard for serious mixed reality work. Number 2. MetaQuest Pro 3. The MetaQuest Pro 3 delivers gaming and social experiences with graphics quality rivaling high-end gaming computers. These glasses feature advanced eye tracking, enabling natural social interaction in virtual spaces that feels surprisingly authentic. The haptic feedback throughout glasses' body creates physical sensation, making virtual interactions feel genuinely real. The 18-hour battery life exceeds competitor products, allowing extended gaming sessions without interruption. The social features create persistent virtual worlds where friends meet regardless of physical location, fostering genuine community. The AI creates dynamic NPCs, responding intelligently to player actions, making game worlds feel alive and unpredictable. The pass-through cameras let you safely navigate physical spaces while remaining in virtual environments. The price, around $600, makes premium VR glasses accessible to enthusiasts. The graphics processing delivers stunning visuals, comparing favorably to high-end gaming hardware. For social gamers and VR enthusiasts, the Quest Pro 3 represents the ultimate escape and entertainment. Number 1. Apple Vision Pro Ultra. The Apple Vision Pro Ultra represents the pinnacle of AI glasses technology, combining design excellence with cutting-edge capabilities. These glasses feature displays delivering visual quality exceeding human eye resolution, making content incredibly sharp and detailed. The spatial computing engine handles complex AI processing, enabling truly intelligent assistance that understands your context completely. The eye tracking and gesture recognition create intuitive interfaces, requiring no traditional input devices whatsoever. The 20-hour battery life, powered by proprietary Apple Silicon, delivers all-day computing without compromise. The AI assistant integrates with entire Apple ecosystem, creating unified experience across all your devices seamlessly. The health monitoring tracks comprehensive biometrics, providing wellness insights, helping you optimize daily choices. The price, around $1,200, reflects premium materials and cutting-edge technology throughout. The design aesthetics maintain Apple's commitment to elegant product design despite complex internal technology. For users seeking absolute premium AI glasses experience, the Vision Pro Ultra represents uncompromising excellence.